Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Mirza from Mirza Solutions, and I am here with another upgrade for Parametric Cable Tray plugin. This time version 1.3. So this is a change log of version 1.3. First of all, the plugin is now compatible to work with AutoCAD Plant 3D 2025. And secondly, new width sizes are now included in both specifications for imperial and metric systems. The new size is 50 or 2 inch. Third one is basically I have extended the range of side rail depth. It now ranges from 25 to 150 mm. And next thing is in previous versions, horizontal T and horizontal cross, they were equal on all sides. But now in this version, you can choose different size of the horizontal T and cross as is needed in the real applications. Okay, the side ventilation profile of the vertical T's and cross are now updated to look more realistic. And there were some issues and problems with the previous version that I overlooked. Sorry for that. And now they are rectified. First one was that the Y component was missing in the imperial system. So I included this component in this revision. So you can use it now, and some dimensional images on the components, they were pointing to the wrong display images, so this one is also corrected. So let me show you in the AutoCAD Plant 3D window. So this environment is AutoCAD Plant 3D with metric unit system, but same is true with imperial system. As you can see over here, the size is from 50 to 1200 So let me show you. And this is true for solid as well, solid bottom and ventilated bottom and wire mesh system. Okay, so let me show you. For example, if you want to add a straight edge section, so you can add with a 50 width size. The default depth is 100 but you can change it from here. So now this wire mesh is 50 in width and 25 in depth. You can also select any other value from 25 to 150 for the depth, for example, 30. You can do that. Okay, so let's get back to ladder system because ladder is more user friendly to the eyes. So the second thing that I told you about was the horizontal T. Let's get a bigger value. Okay, so this T, as you can see, it is not equal on all sides. So here and here is 300 and here is the larger size. So in horizontal T's and horizontal cross, the same axis like this one has the same value, and the branch axis may or may not have a different value. But if you want all of them to be of equal size, you can select the sizes from here. For example, if you want the conventional all equal sides T, you can have it. But if you want something different, so you can also, let's see, where is the horizontal one? Okay, this is the horizontal one. Yeah, for example, I want this one. You see now 300 and 300 on the straight side, but it's varying on the branch side. Okay, you may wonder why only 300 was visible. All the sizes are of 300 size. That's because you have selected from here the size 300. When you place a different side, a different size T, for example, I am placing a 600 size T, and now if I check the sizes for this one, you can see the 600 sizes in all varying capacities. So this is true for cable cross as well. Cable tray cross, sorry. You see, this side is of equal width and this size is of equal width. So here also you can change the values. If you want all of them to be equal sides, you can choose it. They are all of equal sides, but the display is not much promising here. So let's go back to the smaller size so that the difference is more vivid. As you can see over here, 300 on the straight side and 600 on the branch side. So this is the basically new version, new things in the upgrade. Also on the side of vertical in the ventilation, yeah, ventilated tray, the side profile of the vertical tray, vertical cross and vertical T, they are now updated. You see, let me show you the front side. So the side ventilation now looks like this. This is more realistic. So I have included this design, and it is pretty simple and easy to load than the previous version. Same is true for the vertical T. Let me show that to you as well. For example, this is the vertical down T, and then I have a vertical up T. You see, this is also possible. So this is the extent of the upgrade. I hope you like it. And if you have further feedback for me, feel free to give them. I will be constantly upgrading this plugin to meet most of your needs. And I hope you and I can work together to improve this plugin even more. Thank you very much. Have a good day.